Kindergarten? Nope, not a thing. Just be yourself.
Well, that's early. Being older doesn't seem like that much fun anyway.
Well, there's its perks.
Thanks, Mom. I think I need to make the call. Alphabet? No.
Before you say anything, I just want you to know that I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing this for us.
Doing what?
Doing the 10-minute woke. I'll just buy a whole crate of butter pellets and granola bars because the food is completely inedible.
I don't want you to go.
What? Then why did you show me all those photos of last
What I mean is, I know how much you want to go to this camp asylum.
It's pronounced Alicia, and it means paradise.
Whatever. I want you to go and have a great time. Just because we're going to different camps doesn't mean we aren't still best friends.
But we're going to have all these separate adventures.
Aha! I love that. Come with me. It's a blog I made called The Separate Adventures of Inseparable Friends. We can write about what happens to us, post photos, and here's the best part. Only you and I have the password.
Hi, Milkface.
And that's not all.
Emily,
Something else too.
say dada. Say dada.
Dear Mr. Rasper, we made this song for you. You showed us how with hard work there's nothing we can do. From knowing what the vision to move on Waterloo. Dear Mr. Rasper, we owe it all to you.
Dear Mr. Robert, to see. My mind was filled with junk, cartoons and policies. But after your instruction, I think more critically. Now when I meet an alien, I'll speak intelligently.
Dear Mr. Rasper, we made this song for you. Everything you taught us will stick to you.
Ow, you're pinching.
Dear Mr. Rasper, we owe it all to you.
Oh, dear, I seem to have something in my eye. That was...